Hello friends, welcome to this video. We are going to test no load loss of one 3-phase transformer. Here we have one 3-phase variac, one 3-phase transformer and Gopal Electronics make 3-phase power analyzer. This is voltage measurement channel and this is current measurement channel. So let's check the connection first. Variac output is connected to current channel at top side, which is source, and transformer primary is connected to bottom side of current channel as a load. This is all done for current measurement. Now for voltage measurement, you need to measure voltage at load terminal. So here the voltage measurement channel is connected to transformer's primary. This is earthing port, so you need to connect it to proper earthing. That's all done for the connection. So this is how our entire setup is. One transformer, TFT 780 model, one laptop and one 3-phase variac. So let's check the functionality of the equipment. This is displaying voltage, current, power factor and frequency of phase 1. This is displaying total running time, instrument internal temperature, measurement speed, and this is range table for voltage and current. This is the key for measurement speed. If I press fast, the display update rate will be fast. Accurate mode for fine measurement, hold to hold the measurement and take the readings. Now I will put this equipment in a fast measurement speed. Now this is displaying phase 1 parameter, phase 2 parameter, phase 3 parameters. While keeping phase 3, if I press volt, it will display voltage parameter like RMS volt, mean volt, peak volt, UDC and frequency. Same way for current parameters, RMS current, mean current, peak current and frequency. While pressing all text mode, it will display all parameters in a single display for phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and system. Now these are the voltage range key. Either you want to put in a auto range, either in a manual range. Suppose you select manual, by up down you can change the range. Now I have selected 44 volt range and voltage is higher than 44 volt, so that's why it is showing overload. 88 volt range, 175 volt range, 350 volt range. So that way we can put in V auto. This is graph view. It is displaying the graph for input voltage and current for phase 1. You can zoom in and zoom out from here. This is Y axis, zoom in, zoom out. This is X axis, zoom in and zoom out. This is for phase 1, you can check for phase 2, phase 3. And if you want to see system waveform, then you can press system, it will display all voltage waveform R, Y and B and its magnitude on the top of the display. If I press ampere key, it will display system ampere waveforms for I, R, Y and B. This is RMS ampere and this is peak ampere. Now let's check harmonics mode. You need to wait until this wait go. This is THD value of phase 1 voltage. Now you can Press up key to scroll out the pages up to 64th harmonics. You can take readings after this wait go. Now this is BH curve mode. We have connected this transformer, that's why it is showing a live BH curve for this transformer. Same way you can zoom in and zoom out for X axis and Y axis. So this way in a BH curve mode you can analyze the magnetic behavior of this transformer. Text mode. Now I will show you settings in menu mode. This is city scale. If you are using city and PT, then you can enter your city scale and PT scale. This is wire mode. Neutral to phase measurement, 2 wattmeter method, and voltage into √3 mode, means phase to phase measurement. This is default setting. If you press enter, all settings will be default. This is power scale. If multiplier, if you increase it, it will be a multiplier to power. Now let's check the software. This is giving instantaneous live values from the power meter. You can see 114 volt, 114 volt, correct? These are the range for voltage and current. You can change range from here, 700 volt, 350 volt. Right now it is 100 volt. Suppose I select a 22 volt range, it will show overload. Right? Now I change 700 volt range. Press fast. Display update rate will be 250 millisecond. When you press accurate, it will be for fine measurement, and when you press hold, the measurement will be hold up, so you can take the readings. Now keep on fast. Now how simple is to save the results? You press on hold, press on save, select all parameters and press save key. So it will ask for to save the file. I will save in a desktop. Test 1. I will press enter. Now this is test 1 file. All the parameters are saved in Excel format. So later you can create your test report in your company name. Now the next feature is real-time recording. Here you can select which parameter you want to record. So you can click on select all, press OK. Here you can set interval in second. I am setting 1 second and press on a start key. So every second it will take results for each and every parameter which we have selected. Then I can press stop, export. On desktop I will create a file test2, enter. This test2 file has been created. You can open it. Now you can check each and every parameter has been saved in Excel format. So this way you can make a real-time recording. So this is how the software is. This is displaying live values coming from the instrument for phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and system. Now these are the range of voltage and range of current. Like now I am decreasing the voltage, so it will be auto change the range. Now I am increasing the voltage, so it will change the range automatically. 175 auto selected. Right, now you can